Welcome to the quiz game. Would you rather Harry Potter's edition? Have you subscribed to my channel yet? We promise so much fun. Are you ready? Let's get started. Would you rather ride on Hogwarts Express or fly on the back of Wither Wings? Yeah, I know. That's a tough one. Would you rather have Hagrid as your best friend or have Hermione as your sister? Would you rather take part in the first feast at Hogwarts or drink butterbeer at the Three Broomsticks Inn? Yeah, that's a delicious one. Would you rather take a divination class with SYBILL TRELAUNEY or a defense against the dark arts class with Professor Lupin? Would you rather play through a giant wizard's chess game or battle the flying keys? Would you rather go on a date with Ronald Weasley or with Neville Longbottom? Would you rather have Harry's owl or Hagrid's dragon? Would you rather take part in Quidditch or take part in Triwizard Tournament? Would you rather have Severus Snape as your father or have Dolores Umbridge as your mother? Guys, thanks for playing Would You Rather Harry Potter edition. If you like this video, don't forget to check out others on my channel. Subscribe to the quiz game for more fun videos and see you again soon. Bye for now!